The manual trading feature within BinaryTools includes the integration of key elements to make this modality implementable in any available bot. Manual trading will allow us to take control of our trading session at any time we deem it convenient, regardless of the reason for this need for intervention. The first thing we need to know about this module is that we need to enable it in our operations area. For this, we will go to the corresponding tab in our BinaryTools interface. Then, we will select our favorite layout and enable region editing. We will notice that we have two buttons, one for adding panels and another for adding charts. In this case, we need to press where it says Add Panels, which is where our manual trading tool is located. We select and press OK. Now, the first thing we will notice is a message that says Start Bot to see the trade buttons. This is because our manual trading module automatically adapts to any type of contract we are purchasing. The panel reads from our bot the type of trade we are executing and, based on that, enables the corresponding buttons. Once we know how to load our module, let's now understand its content and what each element is used for. Number 1. Auto-sync button. The function of this button is to allow our manual operations to be linked to certain rules of our bot. In other words, the strategic aspect governing purchases will be disregarded during our manual intervention. Or in other words, what happens in block number 2 will be ignored, except for any conditions that refer to the Go Back to Trade Options block. Only the trading definitions from block number 1, the possible information we may be requesting from block number 3, and aspects related to the capital manager or any other condition not related to the purchase of contracts in block number 4 will remain in effect. Number 2, Purchase button. This button locks the bot's purchasing function. It is used in case you want to arbitrarily intervene in the bot's operations. Regardless of the reason for this intervention, it can be disabled along with the auto-sync button to take full control of our operations. Number 3, Sell the contract button. This button is used to manually sell contracts early, and is only compatible with those contracts that have this feature, such as rise/fall contracts. Number 4, Trade Definitions area. This is the section where we will set the parameters for our manual operations, including stake, contract duration, and barriers or predictions as applicable. It is important to note that you must press the Apply Changes button for all the configurations set in our definitions to take effect when purchasing the contract. Number 5, Locked button. Its main function is to disable the fields in the operational parameterization area, previously described as trade definitions. And finally, number 6, Purchase buttons. These buttons will allow us to buy contracts according to our criteria, and they will be suited to the type of contract pre-established in our bot. And that concludes the tutorial on how to use the manual trading module of BinaryTools. I hope it has been helpful, and I remind you that we are available in the Telegram communities to clarify any doubts that may arise. Until the next video.